How to change country or region on App Store. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your country or region on App Store. So let's get started. Before that, you can go to your settings. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. If not, I suggest you connect it to a strong Wi-Fi network, and if you're using mobile data, make sure you're using 5G. And if you're using a VPN, then you can just turn the VPN off, and once done you can go back and click on your App Store. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Over here you got to select your Apple ID, so just click on your iCloud ID and you'll be redirected to an interface that looks something like this in front of you. So here what you got to do is select this country or region. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see a list of countries you can choose among. So here you can just click on change country or region, and here you can just select a country or region you wish to change. For example, I'm gonna click on this Japan. So once you click on it, you'll be redirected to an interface that is about terms and conditions. So you can just click on agree over here. You can either use credit or debit card, mobile phone, or PayPay, or you can even use none. And then here you need to type down your last name, first name, and then you have to type down your billing address, such as street, city, prefecture, and zip. And once done, what you got to do is just click on next, and after clicking on next, when your App Store would get loaded, your country or region would be changed. That is how you can change country or region on App Store. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.